Welcome back to Kenny's shop. Today we're working on 2008 Honda CRV. This vehicle, check engine light on, and the customer said shaking and not going normal speed. And after I put the scanning tools on the OBD2 connection, then we scan the vehicle. And this vehicle is as code. This is the code. I will share this. P2646. VTEC oil pressure switch and a rocker arm. So this is common with those vehicles, and like I got a new one. There's the part number right here from the dealer. See the part number? 515810. So this is the part number, the valve assembly. This valve assembly is right here's a new one. Like you see, it's complete. It's orange here, couple sensor, and this is the part number from Honda. So I recommend you buy it from Honda. Okay, okay, now we're in the front of the vehicle right now. In the front, this is located right here in the back. So hopefully I will see it's right here. Okay, so see that 10 millimeter, and you're gonna move 10 millimeter in the harness and go from there. So I just keep watching. We're gonna move the valve. Okay, so I took the valve out. See, 3 bolts, 10 millimeter. You need small rods, 10 millimeter. It's gonna be a little tough to take it out. You make sure hold it and push it down. So in the back, this is the old valve, pressure valve, and this is a new one. So you can clean it, put it back, but I'm not gonna do that because this vehicle replaced to deserve to replace it. This have 179,000 miles, 2008. So I have the new valve from Honda. See the grease? I put some grease in there, and this is the pressure sensor here. This is the valve. This is the oil sensor, and it's pretty bad. And if this is come on, it's not going to pass inspection. Of course, check engine light, and the vehicle will now drive normally. So this little valve, I'm sure pricey, change it at the dealer, but to make it simple here, this is $180, something like this, and you can do it yourself. It's this go for all the Honda. I believe it's all four-cylinder Honda. They have same kind VTEC 2.4. When you tie the bolts back, do not snap it, please. Just tighten it, hand tight with this. Do not put a pipe on the tools when you tie it. When you lose it, that's okay. You can put a little pipe to lose it because the bolts is gonna be tough. We've been there since 2008. Okay, so now we're gonna put the new valve back in. Move this away. Okay, right now we'll already put the new valve. So this is the old valve. See how dirty that boy. Okay, so I'm gonna show you right here. See the new valve. You see these 2 little harness. It's 3 bolts right here. The bolts right here. See, 3 screw 10 millimeter. It's right here. Just on the right side. This little one. You don't have to move that shield out. Just take 3 bolts out. This also the harness and everything in. So this is the harness clicking. Everything clicking. So this is the valve right here. 1, 2, 3, 10 millimeter. So right now I have my scan tools connected. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna do erase the code. So you can use any simple scan tools. We're gonna clear the code. Yes, I'm sure. All set. See what you got now. No more codes. All set. We're gonna start this vehicle. All set. Okay, like I said, it's simple. If you just have patience, you can do it. It's just 3 screws, 10 millimeter. This is what happened. This valve, if you do a late oil change or the vehicle old. This is old. This vehicle actually. It's, you know, you see the mileage, 179. It's still running like new. It's still, you know, needs some service. But I will put more video for everybody can benefit. And also please subscribe my channel, like and comment, and watch the video if you need to fix your own vehicle in your driveway. This is all set. Thank you. Okay, and the engine is smooth. Again, we just took care of this issue. P2646. Vent oil pressure switch, a rocker arm. Thank you for watching Kenny's